We have an all-electric site, so you have to stop and get water before you go into your campsite. How many campgrounds have you been to that has a tornado shelter? They have a playground, a volleyball net, picnic area. Joni and Mike, Those Who Glamp Together, are right over there. Are you guys ready to get out? Huh? Are you ready to get out of the truck? It's a nice site. It really is.
Yeah, it looks like it's shady.
It's a nice site.
It is. It's very nice. 124.
Yep.
That's your pro tip. If you're coming to Delaware State Park, 124.
Yep. Oh, you guys ready to get out? Look at those faces. Look. You ready to get out? We're at site 124, backed up to the woods. Look how nice this site is. It's spacious. It has a fire pit. Has a picnic table. A lot of room for the pups to roam around. Lots of shade. We're all electric, no water, no septic. So you have to fill up when you get to in the beginning, correct?
Yes, you do.
And then we have to dump as we leave, correct?
Yes, we will.
And as far as internet goes,
Verizon's not very good right now.
no, it's not.
T-Mobile's okay.
Yeah.
And I think
So-
AT&T might be better.
Yeah, but for us, no service right now. Yeah.
We came out to Delaware State Park
Nice job,
to
guys.
celebrate
Nice job.
Mike's retirement. While you're here, be sure to head over and subscribe to their channel, Those Who Glamp Together.
But I never found one that flew off. Well, I can like 5 miles.
Look how much space. This must be site. Well, this is site 123. I mean, look how much space this lot has. Now, granted, it's on the corner, but all of the sites have a pretty good size, like I'll say a notch, cut out into the woods, so that you can kind of like get away from the actual campsite. And it's maybe, I don't know, I'll say maybe 20, 30 square feet. No, not square feet, maybe 20 by 20. I'll show you one here in a minute. And I haven't gone to each site to verify this, but the ones we've seen so far all have an area cut out for extra activity. So, for example, when we were at Mike's party the other night, we were all moving into the shade, and we moved back into, now it wasn't this location here, but we moved into an area like this to provide additional shade. So that gives these sites so much more space than just right here or over there. They seem to have cut in a section into this, into the campsite. So there's a lot of space here, and you know, the park is really, really nice. Kudos to this park for providing a lot of space to hang out in, more than just your limited RV site. So here at the entrance of the park, we have the, where you check in, little gift shop, well, I should say the camp store. They have putt-putt golf, which is right over there, and it is free. And there's a little movie theater, I guess for movie nights over here. We've got shuffleboard. I have a dog park right there. I might have to bring the pups down for that. And disc golf, which Mike Confer has challenged us to a game of disc golf. So they're on their way. He's probably shaking in his cowboy boots, but I'm going to take him on in a game of disc golf.
I'll bet you it goes like 1 through 9, and then a 10 through 18 or something. You ready?
Are you ready? I know you don't have your boots on, so you can't be shaking in them now.
Let's put these bad boys in the woods where they belong.
That's right. Oh, that was actually a good throw. Wow. Oh, that skipped right in the basket.
Not quite, but it's close enough.
That's
for me.
really good. Okay, next up is Shelly K.
The right-handed lefty.
She makes her approach. And
into the weeds.
You want to do over?
Nope, that's how they all are.
All right.
People do.
Oh, right into the poison ivy patch.
Yeah.
That was the poison ivy patch.
Maybe you're excited.
As safely in the side,
Right?
out of everybody's way. All right, Blue, I think you're away.
I was like, I want to get away from
Okay, that was good.
Nick got this really nice chopstick grabby thing. You could try it.
It's the thorns.
The,
All right, we got the brave one here.
oh my gosh. Here's the grabber.
Well, he does have better socks than we do. Yeah.
Here. Oh. I'm trying to get him the grabber because I think that's an excellent idea, David.
I don't know about that. All right, Mr. Confer.
Do I have to stand in the tree?
No, I think we're allowing drops.
It's like
All
putt-putt.
right.
You can move it like the distance away.
Oh, that was good. That was a good throw.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you looking for?
I'm going after my disc. Leave me alone.
Your what? I see it. It's right there. Just pointing it out. Not making fun or anything. So see, it's like a bonus.
And it's not mine. Usually he's rescuing my disc, so this is really great because I'm going to be able to use this moment for a very long time.
All right, toss it up there. You gotta fight. You gotta throw from there if you're gonna play by your rules. See that tree? It's right in front of that tree or behind the tree.
All right, Mike, right here. All right, I got you. Jimmy? Yep. All right.
That was actually a pretty good throw, Mike. All right, get your feet all dry. Oh, yeah, absolutely.
We came down this morning just to check out the beach. Not much going on right this moment. The geese are out there just floating along. There's a few families here. There's some kayaking, and some boating. Just a calm morning.
I'm sorry, but I am not a spider fan Spider-Man, yes, but not Dave and not spiders. So they can keep the spiders. So like I said before, the park is really nice. I would highly recommend it. Anybody that's in Central Ohio, or if you're going through Central Ohio, you need a few nights of stay at a state park, I think this one is a winner. Tina and I are getting ready to head up to Cardinal Center for a few days, and then on to, well, you have to stay tuned for that one, for another celebration. So make sure you stay tuned for that.
Trying to get out of here. Look at those storm clouds coming in.